To monitor and analyze your website's visitors, traffic growth, as well as search engine performance, you will need to use an analytics tool like Google Analytics. Google Analytics is a free tool developed by Google and is the industry standard in web analytics. To use Google Analytics, you can go to google.com/analytics and click on Access Google Analytics, and you can start using Google Analytics with your existing Google or Gmail account. Once you have created your Google Analytics account, then you can just add your website by first creating an account name, website URL, select the industry and the time zone as well, and click on Get Tracking ID. You can then review the Google Analytics terms and conditions and click on I accept, and Google Analytics will give you your tracking code. There are many free plugins available for WordPress that help you to implement Google Analytics easily. You can just go to your WordPress plugins dashboard and search for Google Analytics. Google Analytics tracks your website by a unique tracking ID. So some Google Analytics plugins for WordPress will only ask you to enter this tracking ID over here instead of the entire code. Once your Google Analytics tracking code has been implemented on every page of your website, Google will begin collecting information, and after a few days, you can log in to your Google Analytics account and view all the information that you need about your website, including the total users, page views, visitors, the type of browsers that they use to access your website, geographic location of your visitors, average sessions, and also if you have set them up, goal completions, for example, opt-in subscribers or sales, as well as revenue. Google Analytics collects an amazing amount of information. So besides the dashboard that Google shows you, you can see in-depth information for just about anything that you want. You can see information about your visitors, where they come from, the percentage of visitors that come from actual search queries in Google as well as other sources, the pages on your website that are the most popular, as well as how much time an average visitor will spend on that page. Now this is especially important, so you can view all the most popular pages on your website and make sure that those pages are effective in monetizing your website with affiliate links, Google AdSense, or other programs. You can also see the keywords that your visitors type in to Google to find your website. So with this, you can see exactly the keywords that are being used, and you can also choose to add those keywords into your website as a new content page. If you want even more information, especially on SEO, you can ignore the default dashboard provided by Google and click on New Dashboard. Next, click on Import from Gallery. Now these are basically different type of reports and dashboards created by other Google Analytics users, and those users have actually shared the configuration of their dashboard. So you can just browse through the most popular dashboards, find the ones that you really want to focus on. For example, you can have a social media dashboard that filters information related to social media only. To use a dashboard from the gallery, you can just click on Import. Then give your dashboard a name, or you can also use the default name. Click on Create. And instantly, you will have a brand new dashboard within your Google Analytics account that is focused on a specific function or specific purpose. In this case, the purpose is SEO. So I can easily see all the landing pages that are getting traffic, as well as the amount of sales generated by individual landing pages. I can see keywords, long tail keywords, shorter keywords, two-word keywords, and almost any other information that I want related to SEO. So Google Analytics is a real powerful tool. It collects all kinds of information, but it can be a bit overwhelming at times. So my advice is to simply use Google Analytics, put the code on your WordPress blog or website, and allow Google Analytics to start collecting information. Then all you have to do is browse through the gallery of user shared dashboards, select the ones that you want, and apply it to your own Google Analytics account so that you can get really important information about search engine optimization, traffic to your website, social media performance, and just about any other thing that you want.